This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 331BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockport, Texas, 78382 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Rockport. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a Luna interior, sleeps 10, Slideout, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.